Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your site folder and opening the source page in Dreamweaver. Select the text or image you want to turn into a link. This is the first actionable step. Once selected, go to the Properties panel at the bottom or the Insert menu, choose Link. You do this now because relative paths depend on your site route. Making the selection first ensures Dreamweaver offers correct file suggestions as you type or pick the target file. Now you choose the target page. Click the folder icon beside the link field or type a path directly. Dreamweaver displays files in your defined site. Select the target HTML file to insert a relative path automatically, which keeps links portable. If you must use root relative paths, confirm the site route first. Once chosen, glance at the Properties panel to verify the href. Make sure to switch to Live View to immediately confirm. To finish, save your changes and preview the page in Live View or an external browser. You must verify the link functions in the environment users will see. If the link fails, check the site root setting, confirm file names and folders match exactly, and ensure you use the correct relative versus root path. If you maintain many pages, use Dreamweaver's Find and Replace to update links across files. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cached previews or hard refresh the browser to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.